In today's lesson, we are learning algebraic expressions for JS2 mathematics based on the BECE or Junior WAEC syllabus. By the end of this lesson, you understand how to simplify simple algebraic expressions clearly and correctly. This is a skill you will need often in BECE mathematics questions. Alright, let's get started.
We did this one yesterday, right? Yes. What's the answer? Remember, how many minus are here? One. So if one minus is there, that means the minus must still remain. If there are two, that means the minus will go. So keep your minus. 5 times A is what?
5A.
What we did yesterday. 5 times A is what?
5A.
What was that what I was asking? Hope you did not forget. 5 times A is what? 5A. Alright. So the answer here is 5A. So can you see it here? Minus was 1. If the minus is 2, that means to go. But since it's 1, it has to be there. Do you understand? Now watch. Now, can you see that the minus there are 2? So if the minus are 2, what will happen? It will go. So no, I will not add any minus here. The minus will go because they are what? 2. Hope you will not forget.
Yes.
6 times x is what?
6x.
6x. Hope you are not confused about 5 times a, 6 times s. Hope you are not confused. Alright. We did this thing yesterday. Minus 2x times 9y. Remember? sy. How about plus? What's your question now?
2 minus.
Okay. Minus 2x times minus 9y. Minus is here, minus here. Minus will do what? Go. Hope it's clear.
Yes.
Now, 2 times 9 is what?
18.
18. S and Y. S and Y. We did this yesterday now.
Yes.
Minus 5x times 8. How many minus do we have?
1.
Will the minus go?
No.
So the minus will still remain. 5 times s. 5 times 8 is what?
40.
Then you bring your s. Right? Then you bring your s. 40 minus 40s. I will always say it. You are saying math is hard, meanwhile it is you that is hard.
Yes.
It is not math that is hard, it is you that is hard. Because you don't want to learn the math.
Yes.
You have made up your mind not to learn math. When you make up your mind that you want to be good at math, you'll be what? Good at math. You know what I said?
Yes.
20y divided by minus 10 means 20y divided by minus 10. You understand now? 20y divided by minus 10. Hope that is clear.
Yes.
We are not true. 20y divided by minus 10 is equal to 20y divided by minus 10. Can't you write it? Hell. Let's continue. 20 divided by 10 is what?
2.
How many minus do you have there?
1.
So the minus will still be here.
Minus 2. 1.
And what is left? Y. Let's move on to the next one. So you say minus 18z divided by minus 3. How many minus do we have? 2. So the minus will go. 18 divided by 3 is what? 6. And your what?
Your
Z. That's your question now. If the minus are 2, they will go. But if they are 1, you write it. Do you understand? Look at here. How many minus are here? Only 1. Right? So it's appeared. But when the minus are 2, it will go. Minus 16x divide by 8 minus 16s divide by 8. Right? How many minus do you have? 1. So the minus will still be there. 16 divided by 8 is what? 2. And what is left? The last one now. Minus 21a divided by minus 7 is equal to minus 21a divided by minus 7. There are two minus, right? So the minus will go. 21 divided by 7 is what? 3. And what is left? A. Look at 9 times 7. Eh? Are you watching? Minus, this minus. 9, let me put it like this now. How will I put it? Okay, 9 times and 9 times minus 3y. Are you seeing now? 9 times 7 is the first one. Second one is 9 times minus 3y. Are you seeing it? Have you seen it? So when you say 9 times 7, which is the first one, it's what? 63. When you now say 9 times 3y, 9 times, only one minus is here. Put the minus. 9 times 3, 27. Add your y. The same thing that we have been doing ever since. 9 times 7, 9 times 7, 9 times minus 3y, 9 times minus 3y. So 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times minus 3y. Only minus, one minus is there. Put the minus here. 9 times 3, 27, and your y. The same thing here. Are you watching?
Yes, sir.
That's the answer now. Don't worry. That's the answer.
Yes, sir.
If I give you... Listen. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
If I give you one... What's your name? Divine. Look at, are you watching? Are you watching?
Yes, sir.
I give you one marker. I give you one marker. I give you textbook. What did I give you?
2 marker, 1 test.
Why can't I add it together? The same way it is here. I cannot add this thing together. 63 and 27. 27y. I cannot add it together. But you added this marker together as 2 marker. But why you not add the textbook and the marker? Instead you now say 2 marker and 1 textbook. You cannot add it together. Do you understand? So leave it like this. 63 and 27y. You cannot add it together. I gave you 1 marker. Now give you another 1 marker. Now give you textbook. You now say I give you 2 markers and 1 textbook. You cannot add it together, right? 3 things. What is that thing is also a book. What is that thing is also a sandals. So things is not specific. You understand? You have to be specific.
Something.
You understand? What is the something? So start asking you a question now. So it's not clear. It has to be specific. Hope it's clear now. Now the next one, nice. Remember, what is outside? Are you listening? Please, just make up your mind that I want to be good at maths. Are you hearing? Are you hearing? Just make up your mind. I want to be what? Good at maths. You'll be what? Good at maths. There's a book titled Think and Grow Rich. When you think that you can, then you can. Because you thought so. The first one was 9 times 7, 9 times minus 3y. Second one now will be 3 times x and 3 times plus y. Do you understand? Are you watching now? So the same thing we did in number 1. Now, save and now made sense. Clap for him. Clap for him for having sense. He says something they understand. Have wisdom like this. You know what I said? Alright. So 3 times s. 3 times plus y. Joy, hope you understand. 3 times s. 3 times s. 3 times plus y. 3 times plus y. 9 times 7. 9 times 7. 9 times minus 3y. 9 times minus 3y. Is it not clear?
Yes.
Please, if you make up your mind to be good at maths, you will just be focusing. Are you hearing? You will just be what? Focusing. If you make up your mind to be good at maths, you will just be focusing. So 3 times x is what? 3x. Are you watching? 3 times plus y plus 3y. The same thing here. What is outside? What's outside here? 3 is outside. So what is outside, we multiply everything that is inside. What is outside, we do what? Multiply everything that is inside. So it's equal to 3a times 5. 3a times minus 3d, not 3d. Are you not seeing it? Hope you are seeing it. Hope this is clear. Are you seeing I'm doing it? What is outside there? We multiply everything that is inside the bracket. 3a times 5 is what? 3 times 5 is 15. A is left, right? So 15a. 3, look at how many minus are here? 1. So that minus will show, right? Eh?
Yes,
3 times 9. 3 times 3 is what?
9.
A D. A D. This is A now. A D. 3 times 3 is what? 9. A D. Look at the board if you are confused though. Math is not hard, it's you that is hard. When you focus, you make yourself simple. When you focus, you make yourself what? Simple. Math is not hard, it's you that is hard. Just focus. Let me tell you something. Listen now. Whenever I teach, I normally should give. Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Bring your head up. Whenever I teach, I will just stop teaching. Do you know why? So that you can look at the board and try to understand. Some teachers will just teach, hey, boom, 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 that's true. Move to the next one. But whenever I teach, I will calm down so that you can meditate on what is on the board. I don't want to be too fast. Hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Are you watching now? Bracket 5 minus bracket 5 minus 3d. Minus 3d together. Bracket 5 minus 3d. Bracket close. 3a. What is outside? 3a. So that 3a that is outside will multiply everything that is inside. So 3a times 5. 3a times minus 3d. 3 times 5 is what? 15a. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring your a. 3 times 3. Your minus is only 1, so put the minus there. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Bring your AD. That's our answer.
Yes, sir.
So number 4. People should be asking questions. Can you see how Mordecai ask questions now? And I is helping. You hear what I say? Ask questions. Ask what? Questions. What is that?
Sir, where's number 2 answer?
Number 2, look at the answer here. 3x plus 3y. 3x plus 3y. This is 5. 5 times what? Minus me. And 5 times what?
Minus B.
Hope this is clear. Very, very
Clear.
Now, 5, look at 5 times minus u. How many minus are there? 1. So minus 5 times u is what? 5. I don't know why I'm using this thing. 5 me. 5 u. 5 times minus v. How many minus is there? 1. Then 5 times v is what?
5v.
So minus 5u minus 5v. I don't want to use this thing for now. I'm adding it because of his question. Because something will change. It's a gradual process. It's a gradual process. Little by. Let's do it again. Minus 3 times what? Minus 2x. Minus 3 times plus 4. Now, are you watching? When minus multiply minus, minus will go. 3 times 2 is what? 6. S is left. Let's assume that this is minus. Are you watching? Yes. Let's assume that this is minus. Hope you understand to this extent. Now watch. Something will happen here.
Yes.
Something will do what?
Happen. Yes.
Something will happen.
Something will happen.
Are you watching? Something will happen here now. Minus and minus means that minus will go. Yes. But here, the minus will call it plus. 3 times 4 is what? 12. Minus 3 times minus 2x. Are you seeing it? Minus 3 times minus 2x. Minus 3 times minus 4. Minus 3 times minus 4. Are you clear? Yes. To this extent? Are you clear to this extent?
Yes.
Listen now. Minus. The minus will go. Either you say the minus will go or you add plus. Either you say the minus will go or you do what? Add plus. Either you say the minus will go or you do what? Add plus.
Simple.
Hope you understand. So 3 times 2 is what? 6. S is left. Coming to this one too. Minus, the minus will go. Or you do what? Add plus. Well, add plus here. 3 times 4, 12. Classwork. Let me tell you, if you don't understand the simple math, you will find it difficult to understand the harder one. Remember, it takes previous knowledge to understand what? It takes previous knowledge to understand present knowledge. So if you don't understand what I taught yesterday, by the time I move to a higher level, you'll be confused. That's why after teaching like this, go back, carry your textbook. Just tell yourself, I want to be good at maths. Make up your mind. I was not good at maths because they taught me maths. I was good at maths because I studied maths. I'll carry it and be studying. That was why I was good, not because they taught me maths. Because they taught everybody maths and people are not still good. When you make up your mind, I want to be good at maths. David was able to kill Goliath because he was fearless. This maths is hard though, but I will not fear you. I will conquer you. Carry it and study this before you know. Everybody is calling you mathematician.